Hello guys, welcome to Geo Crochet, and today's video will be very amazing. Look, Valley of Sunflower. See, so first we are going to use this brown color yarn, and then we required green, and then for petals of course the yellow color yarn, and for marker this marker pins. And wrap the yarn around your finger, take this out, make a loop, and make the simple way magic ring. And very simple way I am going to teach you, and very easy the same time. Then take this out, take one loop, again go inside from this, wrap the yarn, take this out, make another loop. Again first you go from this ring out, wrap the yarn, take this out from this inside of it, then 2 to 1, 3 loop we have created. So we are going to create total 10 loops over here. 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, just so. This is the way we are going to tell now. Make the short end, pull it out tightly, and now from the last loop here, and pour it, take it out, make a slip knot. This is the way you can complete our first round. Right now this is the time we are going to use the pointer. Yes, this pointer. Now the time has come to use it. So here this loop, we will mark it. Yes, just pin it up. Right now the second row, make one chain. Every row by default you are going to make one chain. Now from each loop we are going to make 2 single crochet. So now from each loop we are going to increase, so 2 single crochet. I hope it is visible to everyone. Yes, 1 and then 2 from each loop, single crochet. Right now we are going to complete the whole round. Then I meet you at the end. We have done total 10, right? 10, and then second round 20. Just count, then it will make you easy. The third round, now the third round again by default we are going to do 1 chain to start, and leave, take this out, the marker, and pin up from the first loop that just now we have increased. Okay, now the third row, make 1, next is 1, again 1 single, and the third number make 2 in same loop, 2 its same loop, again 1 2, and the third number make it twice. Okay, so in such way we need to increase all the loop, right? Yes, so that the last one, and remove this pin, take this out, and then make a slip knot. Yes, now this is our one part completed. The same way we are going to make with the green color yarn. Then I will show you how to make the petals. As I said you, from the same way, 1 loop, 2, 3, how many we made? I hope you remember that. 10, right? So 4 and So we are going to complete this hole, and we'll going to make the same kind of pattern with this green yarn. See, now completed the green part also and the brown part. Now we're going to join these two part. Okay, so for this we need, of course, the yellow color yarn, and for the beginners they can make a loop, first loop with the crochet, and I'm going to insert it in between these two. For this, remove, put the yarn first chain and here in one chain, these two, and already you created a loop before, so take this loop gradually in between these two layer. Okay, and now tighten this thread or the yarn, put this in between two layers for hiding this yellow part. 1, 2, and then 3 chain. Wrap the yarn, go from the same loop, take this out, make 1 double crochet. Again wrap the yarn twice, go from the same loop, take this out, 1, then 2 times, and then 3 times. 3 triple crochet. Okay, double crochet, triple crochet. Now again 1 chain, 2 chain, go from this back 2 loop, take this out, wrap the yarn, pull it in between these 2 chain, again from the top chain. I am doing so slowly, then you can understand easily. Now before this picot stitch we have make the triple crochet again from the same loop, 1, 2, and then 3 triple crochet. Now 1 double crochet. Yes, I hope you remember that, right? And now 1 chain, 2 chain, 3 chain, go there, same loop, take this out. So in such a way we are going to make these petals, and all over around we'll make. For second petal I'm going to show you again. 1, 2, 3 chain, wrap the yarn. Now here we're going to skip 2 chain, 1 or 2 from the third loop. Yes, take this 1 double crochet, wrap the yarn, go from the same loop, 1, 2, and 3 triple crochet, wrap the yarn twice, go from the same loop, triple crochet, 1, 2 chain, go down from the top of this 2 loop, take this out once and twice, again wrap twice, go from this same loop at the bottom, 1, 2, 3 triple crochet, then 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, then again 3 chain, go from the same loop, take this out. Yes, now the second petals we completed. Look, so in such I'm going to complete this whole petals, and then I'll meet you. Look how pretty looks looking both the side. See, we can use from the back and the front, both the side as well. Now here again 2, 3 chain, and skip 2 loop. From the third loop we are going to make a petals. Okay, now here first 1 double crochet, then wrap the yarn twice, and make 1, twice, and thrice triple crochet, then 1 chain, 2 chain, then go down from the top, 2 loops, take this out, and one time take this out, twice you take it out from the top as I shown in the video. Now again wrap twice, go from the same loop, take this out, 1 2, and the triple crochet, then wrap the yarn, go from the slope, take this out, make 1 double crochet, chain, 2 chain, 2 chain, go from this loop, take this out, and slip knot. Right, now here we have the pocket. See, in the pocket we are going to add the fabrics or the fiber, okay, synthetic fiber, and make it puffy. So I have put extra one, it's look little bit puffy, so the 3D image, yes, right, so it is enough. Look, so back side also looks so pretty, and here it is. So now the last petal I am going to make, and then I'll show you. Now you must check this one, the end part, 3 chain, go from the same loop, yes, take this out, make a slip knot. Now again next loops, go, take this out, 1 more slip knot. See how it is pretty looking. Now here we are going to finish it off. Finishing part should be very neat and clean, tidy. So see, from the back loop and the front loop, both sides are similar and all the petals are symmetrical. So I'm going to attach this with, it says now always have 2 sunflower together, so one I have already made before, and I'm going to attach this at the end point of this thread. Here it is, we have made the, I have made the only single chain, right? So I'm going to attach this with this single chain yarn, and then I'll show it to you. Now to stitch it. See, this is the cut the thread, and now finish. Okay, so here we make 2 sunflower in one pattern of the crochet that you could use. No, nowadays people are very crazy about this sunflower. They are using their purse and the sling bag. I'll show you how it's look like. See, 2 little babies. How pretty, isn't it? You could also make it. If you want to know how to make leaves, I have separate video, you may check it out. And if you like the way I prepared, so please subscribe and share with your loved ones. Thank you. Stay happy and healthy. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Geo Crochet, subscribe and subscribe.